adorable free puppy gets adopted by young man. Then, he realizes this unsettling fact. When you love animals and by chance you pass a sign that says free puppy, it's impossible not to stop by and check the pooch. Wolf dog, meaning that he was part wolf and part dog. And in Arizona, unless you're a Native American or you have a special permit, it's illegal to own a wolf or a wolf dog. So, what was Neo's fate? The shelter would have to report the wolf or the wolf dog to the authorities, but O'Neill had a different idea that could save Neo and place him in a better house. She called the owner and asked him if he would accept the idea. The owner reluctantly agreed for Neo to go to a sanctuary specially created for wolves and wolf dogs. Then O'Neill called Wolf Connection in California, and the sanctuary accepted the pooch. This is what Maureen said. Maureen told the young owner that his boy had a wonderful life ahead of him at Wolf Connection, and that made him give up on Neo. And you can see that his best friend was well taken care of. His health was great, said the vets at the sanctuary. However, when getting there, Neo had to be isolated for a bit to get medical clearance. You won't believe how eager he was to make his way to the other wolves at the sanctuary. Kate Solansky with the Wolf Connection recalls Neo's first moments in the isolation kennel. She said, Neo decided that he didn't like being kept so far away from the rest of the pack. So he fixed the problem. Solansky said that Neo escaped the isolation kennel and went straight to the habitat of Wolf Connection's alpha female, Maya. But his escape plans had a happy ending after all, as they fell in love immediately. When Neo lived in his backyard, he wanted to escape and stay with a neighbor's dogs because he wanted his own pack. Now, at the wolf sanctuary, he has a pack. O'Neill's words brought tears to our eyes. O'Neill said that Neo didn't wait to see where he fit in with the pack. He knew he belonged. Finally, Neo had his pack, and he didn't need to jump fences or chew them off to stay with his new pals. To avoid adopting a wolf or a wolf dog, check their body. Look for fur inside their ears or on their bellies. They have black claws, amber eyes, and their tails have scent glands shaped like diamonds. Their behavior is similar to Neo's. We're so happy that Neo is in good hands and enjoying his life with the pack. The days of being a lone wolf are over.